So this question number 12 says the nth term of the sequence is this, and the one term of the sequence is this. Work out the value of n. Just you have to equate this, so it will be 3n square upon n square plus 2 should be equals to 32 upon 11, and from here you will get the value of n, no problem. The second part is conceptual, that it is saying what will happen if n tends to infinity. See, if n tends to infinity, what will going to happen, its limiting value. So the question will look like this. It's B part. Limit n tends to infinity, the nth term is 3n square upon n square plus 2, right? Whenever we have the term, whenever you have the term like this, n tends to infinity, first check the form. When you will substitute the value of n, it will becomes infinity upon infinity, isn't it? Are you getting this point?
Yeah.
Now we have two options. Now to solve this, we have two options. The first term, the first method is, whenever you encounter such situation, take out maximum power of n from numerator and denominator separately. You have to take out the maximum power of n from numerator and denominator separately. Why it is so? What is the meaning of this? Why? What is the purpose of doing this? These all will be discussed in your higher grades just after this. So just see right now. So what will happen? Limit n tends to infinity. In the numerator, I have the maximum power n square, so it is just n square, and it will be 3 only here. In the denominator, I have the maximum power n square, so I am taking n square common, so it will be 1 plus 2 upon n square. Is it okay? Now this n
Okay.
square will cancel out, and you will have n tends to infinity 3 upon 1 plus 2 upon n square. Now put the limit and check. Now put the limit and check. See what will happen. This 2 upon n square, 2 upon infinity will be what? 2 upon infinity will be 0, isn't it? Any problem?
Yeah.
So it will
No.
be 3 upon 1 plus 0. So what we will get? 3. So its answer will be 3. This is the first method. Please write it very carefully. This is very, very important. We have already discussed this. Now the second method is, can we start second method?
Yes, sir.
See, the second method is basically the rule of this method is L'Hopital rule. This is the L'Hopital rule or L'Hospital rule, right? What is the condition for this rule when you have to apply? Whenever you encounter infinity upon infinity situation, whenever you encounter infinity upon infinity situation, differentiate your numerator separately, differentiate your denominator separately till this form exists. Are you getting my point? So when you will differentiate first numerator, you will get 6n, and in the denominator you will get 2n, isn't it?
Yeah.
N and n will get cancel out, 2 3. So that's the same answer we are getting, isn't it? Let's see, same answer we are getting. So that's a L'Hospital rule or L'Hopital rule. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately.
Oh,
You have to apply this rule whenever your limit comes in infinity upon infinity form or 0 upon 0 form, both way correct. Have you understood both the methods?
yes, sir.
Okay.